Let me ask you something. If you had to choose one car to live with every single day, would you go with a sedan, low, sleek, smooth, or an SUV, big, bold, ready for anything? Because here's the truth nobody tells you. This decision has way less to do with engines and horsepower, and everything to do with your lifestyle. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your life, not your neighbor's, not a car salesman's, yours. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for a car right now, or even thinking about it, this video can save you thousands of dollars and years of regret. Today, we're breaking down SUV versus sedan, but not in a boring spec sheet way. We're talking real life, daily driving, family, gas money, parking headaches, road trips, and yeah, comfort. Let's get into it. Part 1. Daily driving life. Let's start with the daily grind. If your life looks like this: driving to work, sitting in traffic, running quick errands, parking in tight city spots, a sedan just makes sense. Sedans sit lower to the ground, so they feel smoother on highways. Steering feels tighter. You use less gas, period. In the US, sedans are still the kings of commuters, college students, office workers, anyone driving 30 to 60 minutes a day. Plus, parallel parking a sedan, easy money. Parking an SUV in a crowded downtown area? Yeah, good luck with that. Part 2. The SUV lifestyle. If your life includes family trips, Costco runs, kids, pets, or both, bad roads, snow, or potholes from hell, an SUV starts looking real good, real fast. SUVs give you higher driving position, better road visibility, more cargo space, easier entry and exit. Huge deal for many Americans. That commanding view of the road feeling? That's why so many people never go back after owning an SUV. And in suburban America, SUVs are basically the default now. Part 3. Gas, money, and real costs. Let's talk money, because this matters. Sedans. Cheaper to buy, better MPG, lower insurance in most cases, less expensive maintenance. SUVs. Costs more upfront, drink more gas, tires, brakes, and repairs cost more. Insurance is usually higher. Here's the thing. A lot of people buy SUVs thinking they need one, but never actually use the extra space. If you're not hauling stuff or people regularly, you're basically paying extra for vibes. Nothing wrong with that. Just know what you're paying for. Part 4. Comfort and road trips. Surprise factor. Here's where most people get it wrong. They assume SUV equals more comfortable, sedan equals less comfortable. Not always true. Sedans usually have better ride quality on highways, feel more planted at high speeds, are quieter inside. SUVs are better on rough roads, handle bumps better, give more legroom and headroom. For long highway road trips, a good sedan can feel like a luxury couch on wheels. For mixed roads, mountains, or long family trips, SUV wins. Part 5. Weather and road conditions. This is huge for American buyers. If you live in snow states, rain-heavy areas, rural zones, SUVs, especially AWD ones, give peace of mind. Sedans can handle weather too, don't get it twisted. But SUVs give you that "I'm not stuck today" confidence. That alone is why SUVs dominate states with rough winters. Part 6. Image and personality. Let's be real for a second. Cars are emotional. Sedans say, "I value efficiency. I like smooth driving. I don't need to prove anything." SUVs say, "I want space. I'm prepared. I like feeling in control." Neither is better. They just say different things about you. And yeah, image matters, whether people admit it or not. Which one should you buy? Here's the simplest way to decide. Choose a sedan if you commute daily, you want better fuel economy, You drive mostly alone or with one passenger. You want lower ownership costs. Choose an SUV if you have a family. You travel a lot. You need cargo space. You deal with bad roads or weather. The worst choice? Buying a car that doesn't match your life. So now I want to hear from you. If you had to choose today, SUV or sedan, drop it in the comments and tell me why. I read every single one. If this video helped you even a little, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real-world car comparisons. And I'll see you in the next one.